Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this rotisserie restored 72 Blazer. This is easily one of the nicest cars in the country right now, and we're happy to present it to you today. Now if you've got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Blazer, and then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway as well. Now as we look across the front, you can see there's not a piece of chrome and stainless on this truck that doesn't look brand new. Everything has been meticulously placed on it, and all the fit is gorgeous. Speaking of the fit, you can look down the sides here and you can see that all these body panels are excellent. As we come on around the driver's side, you can take a close look at all of your gaps here at the doors and see they're even and symmetrical. Now this is a lift-off top Blazer. We do have it off right now because, well, that's the best way to look at them anyway. Come on up and we'll take a look here at the interior. On the inside, it's featured with red and black color combination, which is a gorgeous accent to this exterior. You'll notice that we've got bucket seats and console with the red houndstooth. And as you look across the dash, you can see Dakota digital gauges along with vintage air that's controlled from the factory location and the digital knob radio. As we come on around, you can see it's got new carpet, new door panels. Everything on the inside of this truck is absolutely immaculate. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside. It'll give you the opportunity to see how great that door shuts. You'll notice these body lines are gorgeous again, and of course you can see this stunning chrome and stainless here on the back. The tailgate, it's got the Chevrolet script that's done in red, which really ties the whole look of this truck together, and it'll get us on around to the passenger side, and we'll take a look down it, and you can see that this body is arrow straight as well. As you come on around the passenger side, I'll go ahead and get out of the way. That way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful this truck is. As you can see, this stainless lines up flawlessly from the front all the way to the rear, and this body has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine that's slick as a ribbon. Now you can also see at the body, it's set off by these custom Bonspeed wheels with the Diamondback tires that really show off these red Baer brakes. Now come on up and we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Under the hood, it features something that you're not going to see every day. It's powered by a 6.0 LS2 fuel-injected engine. It's got the custom vintage air front runner kit. You've got the vintage AC along with power steering. You'll also notice that we got the Baer master cylinder. Now this car has a gorgeous detail under here, and you'll also notice we got dual electric fans with the aluminum radiator to keep you cool while you're cruising. As impressive as the exterior, interior, and the heartbeat of this Chevrolet is, just wait till we get it up on a lift so that way you can look at the bottom of it. Now if you've got any questions on it, I want you to give us a call at 865-988-8088. We'll be happy to help any way that we can, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this 72 around there and up on a lift, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. Now that we have this Blazer up on a lift, you can get a better appreciation for just how impressive this restoration is. As you can see, it's been frame off rotisserie restored, and the frame has been powder coated and the floors are done in black. You can also see it's got a Scott's Performance gas tank with all new fuel lines. Now under the front, it's been upgraded with RideTech strong arm tubular control arms along with RideTech coilovers. It also has a new front sway bar, and the LS2 engine is mated to the 4L60 auto trans that goes out back to the 12-bolt rear end. You'll also notice that it's got the Baer big 4-wheel disc brake package, and this Blazer has a custom 2.5-inch exhaust system with turbo-style mufflers and the pipes turning down at the rear quarters. Now out back, it's been upgraded with a 4-link setup along with custom crossbar to go along with coilovers, and it's been C-notched. Now before we get this Blazer down on the highway, I want you to take another close look at the stunning job they did with this frame-off rotisserie Resto.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.